Representative Mike Johnson hosts a town hall meeting in Shreveport today, sharing with voters all he's seeing, hearing, and involved in during a very busy time on Capitol Hill. NBC6's Alexander Meacham joins us now live in studio control, sharing details. Alex?
Dan, Representative Johnson answered all kinds of questions today, ranging from President Trump's budget proposal to climate change. But of course, that main topic of focus was health care. Now, Representative Johnson is an advocate for what's called the Maine model, where about $140 billion of federal money goes into a fund for states to pay for people with pre-existing conditions. After about a 3 to 4 year time period, it would then go to the state level to pay for that care. In Maine, it was paid for through a $4 charge on people's private insurance plans on a monthly basis.
It's not going to be an easy task, and I voted against, I think, $76 billion in new taxes when I was in the legislature for just 2 years. I'm not an advocate of tax increases, but the reality is if the federal health insurance program is pushed down to the states are going to have to figure out how to handle this problem.
We owe this debt to nations like
Representative Johnson went over the House's American Health Care Act and cited data from the Energy and Commerce Commission. He says the Congressional Budget's Office estimate of 23 million Americans losing coverage may not be accurate, given enough time if the plan is implemented.
I think he listened well. I think that he responded honestly, and outside of the issue of climate change, he seemed to be reasonable and open-minded.
He's a Christian man, and he just, through all of that meeting that we had that lasted about an hour and a half, he kept the same, I guess, is it stoic, but yet has personality, you know.
Currently, the health care plan is going through the Senate committees, which Johnson says could be completely scrapped by Senate members who come up with their own plan. Now, Johnson says he hopes the Senate committees keeps the Maine model in it, but again, he does not know what those committees will come up with. Back to you.
Now, his town halls have been very cordial, no question.